look at the relative velocity. Word relative has to do with comparison of two things. The velocity we know is different from the relative velocity. And the relative velocity of a body is always specified with reference to the origin of the coordinate system. The relative velocity, let's consider these two. Object A and B. And the velocity of object A moving with object A, moving with a velocity VA, and object B moving with a velocity VB. So we can say that the velocity of A relative to B, the velocity of A relative to B is VAB equal to VA minus VB. This is the velocity of A relative to B. We can equally say the velocity of B relative to A will be VBA equal to VB minus VA. So we have a problem here that we want to solve. A motorcycle traveling on a highway with a velocity of 110 kilometers per hour passes a car traveling with a velocity of 80 kilometers per hour. From the point of view of a passenger in the car, what is the velocity of the motorcycle? So it's simple. If we now say that let's the velocity of the motorcycle be Vm and is given as 110 kilometers per hour, and the velocity of the car be Vc, which is 80 kilometers per hour. So the question here is, from the point of view of the passenger in the car, what is the velocity of the motorcycle? So we can say that the velocity of the motorcycle relative to the velocity of the motorcycle relative to the car can be written as Vmc, which is equal to Vm minus Vc, which can be given as 110 minus 80. All these are in kilometers per hour, and this is equal to 30 kilometers per hour. So we can say that the velocity of the motorcycle is 30 kilometers per hour.